Consider the following example of bad practice. If you follow these instructions, Autograph will plot a perfect quadratic. However, the students have not had the opportunity to predict where the curve crosses the axes, what happens to the curve for large negative and large positive values of x, where the maximums and minimums are, the general shape of the curve, etc. When asked in future what the shape of this curve is, they may recall it or know how to enter it in Autograph, but it is unlikely they will understand why it is the shape it is. What will they answer when asked about a more complicated curve? The three-step rule. An Autograph activity following best practice consists of the following 3 steps. Set up the problem, predict the answer, show the answer. Autograph has 2 simple, powerful features which help with the second and most important step, the scribble tool and slow plot mode. In slow plot mode, graphs are plotted slowly from left to right, and plotting can be paused to allow for predictions to be made. Slow plot mode will stay on until it is turned off again. You do not need to turn it on again every time you open a new page. Students can use the scribble tool to mark the points where the curve crosses the axes, what happens to the curve at large negative and large positive values of x, where the maximums and minimums are, the general shape of the curve, etc. When you see this icon, you should give your students the opportunity to predict what will happen next before continuing. We have not given detailed instructions for each prediction step, as we have aimed to keep the activities in this training material concise.